What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we're here at Slow Lane Customs. We're about to install the amp rack I built last week into Project Blue, so we get all the sound and everything finished up, so y'all can hear how loud and how amazing like it sounds. So we're gonna get to it. We got to remove this carpet in the back of the cab and mount the amp rack, and then from there hook up the battery and do all that fun stuff up there in the front. So I'm gonna get to it, guys, and honestly I'm excited to hear it. I mean, I couldn't even sleep, you know, just by thinking about it. But yeah, right now I'm finna install the amp rack, see how it comes out. Hopefully it doesn't give me no trouble. So I don't know if y'all remember, guys, but last week I had put everything together, so today's the day to put it in. We got Project Blue. So this is the place where we're gonna mount the amp rack. Alright, now that we removed that old gray carpet, it's time to mount these brackets I bought last week. They some type of steel that can flex, and if it works. I already got this one shaped up to the back of the truck, how it's supposed to be. And here goes the second one. It's pretty straight. I gotta bend it to the size of the wall back there. These brackets here, they're pretty flexible. I already flexed this one, and it goes just like that. So what I'm gonna do is, so I got these missing bolts right here. I'm not sure what was there, but like I said, I'm gonna use this little plastic piece I bought from Lowe's, and I'm gonna pour some super glue. I got some Gorilla Glue, and what I'm gonna do is put a little bit on the plastic on this end and push it in there real tight so it can hold. And I mean, it's Gorilla Glue, so it's supposed to hold. So we're gonna give it a try, and then what we're gonna do is then we'll be able to screw our amp rack up here. So I'm gonna get to doing that. So that right there should hold. Now I'm gonna let that dry up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna screw my amp rack up here. Guys, so I finally got everything working now. I got so here goes the amp rack. Everything's powered up. Before I get to showing you how the speaker sounds, I had a little problem earlier. I didn't run my remote wire, which powers my amps. I ain't run that right, so my amps didn't turn on. So it took me a while to figure out what it was. And it was just that one little wire behind the stereo that wasn't connected right. But we got it all figured out, back to normal and ready. So guys, It is pretty loud, and I don't even have it turned up all the way. I'm about to play some music. So I can hear it. Here's a little video I downloaded. So what you guys think? It's not that loud through the camera quality, but in person, man, I mean, I barely had it turned up to like 14 and the bass hits. And that's out the truck, so imagine when it was in the truck. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish putting everything back together, getting everything ready for show. I will be dropping off the box tomorrow to get wrapped, so that gives me enough time to install some door speakers I bought. So yeah, let me finish putting the truck back together, because honestly it looks a mess. Terrible. I know guys, I destroyed my truck, but it's okay. I'm gonna put everything back together, get it looking show ready. And what we did, we removed the speakers from the box. We better go deliver the box to the same place where I got my interior done to my truck, and we're gonna get it to match up the interior, and we might get some custom stuff done to it. So gotta stay tuned for the next video, see what it looks like. But yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and catch y'all in the next one.